Marcial, Lucilio Mante Labillan, Gracia de la Cruz, Dulfo, Lucerata, Mambak, pagkubasan ng Pilopa. Ang video arrangement naman. Taga-esay ka po talas?
Yes, sir.
Pero nakakaintindi naman ba na?
No, 6 is
Gamay. Isa na yung mga translator. Translator?
Paul. Ano? Para makita ang
Pero pag di rin na, okay na natulog ako. Tapos sir, wala ka ng note. Okay na.
Nice.
Okay na? Alright. Sige lang.
One set. There you go.
Okay, good afternoon, our dear panelists. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Janari Piroga, and for now, let's have our each member to introduce themselves.
And
Good morning. Good afternoon, naman, sir. I am Jeremy Carnati Batindal from the BS
Good afternoon, naman, sir. I am Janina Fernandez from BS San Isidro Campus.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Roberto Albuante Jr.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. I'm Razzle Tagoy from BSN.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Adrian Dikash.
And also good afternoon, ma'am and sir. I am John Paul D. De La Cruz from BS San Isidro.
And I am Alicia Pico from BSN.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. I am Janelle sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir.
Good afternoon, teachers. I'm Christian and Pagkubasan.
That's it.
So we are the group 3 from the San Isidro campus, and our study is entitled Snakes and Ladders, Game-Based Peer-Assisted Learning for University Scale Development. Thanks.
The foundation of the modern world is mathematics, the language of science and technology. Meanwhile, a significant portion of the population finds it difficult to understand its ideas, resulting in a mathematics gap that has a serious implication for both people and also the society when it comes to their numeracy skills. According to the results released, the Philippines placed in 6th in mathematics with an average score of 355 compared to an average of 472 points in the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development countries.
Similarly, the same trend was also seen based on the 2019 trends in international mathematics and science study. In the national context, the Philippines remained consistent at the bottom rank. According to the recent 2022 Program for International Student Assessment, or PISA, reports, the Philippines ranked poorly and landed 77 among 81 participating countries. It can be concluded that the Philippines has repeatedly underperformed in international large-scale mathematics exams, such as the PESA and the TIMSS results.
So this study aims to determine the effectiveness of using game-based snakes and ladders as a strategic intervention material in enhancing the numeracy skills of grade 3 learners.
Specifically, this study seeks to explore how the integration of game-based learning can improve learners' mastery of basic operations, particularly multiplication and division, and problem-solving skills, while also making mathematics more engaging and enjoyable.
So the proposed intervention, this is what it looks like when it comes to the board setting. So the board setting, or the snake and ladder board, is actually composed with a small tiny boxes, and it would include 50. The reason why it's 50, just a little bit of a background with this layout, although it actually looks like nothing's best. It's not right now, but that's totally fine. However, that was actually made from scratch. All the ladders and snakes were created and planted originally with its number. And at the same time, if you would ask me the size, for example, it would be in a long bond paper and 60 pages format. So it's going to be in a dark papel with a big board. So for you, the replicas will be replicated for this study. So the reason why we decided to have it 50 is because we actually think that it's kind of time-consuming when it's 100, especially if the students were to land on the snakes, especially. So how does it work? So there will be 4 pairs will be working on each board. And then to determine which one to go first, they will have to toss the dice. The dice is made from foam so that it would not hurt anyone playing the game itself, since they are kids. So we have also to protect their physically. So the first one to toss, and then actually the 4 of them will actually toss, and then whoever gets the highest number of dice, and the first, they will have to take the first place in tossing the dice. So so each of the number will have an equivalent of a packet. So the packet comes with an equation. So we focus on multiplication and division. So starting from 1, it would actually go up higher in a complex way. So from first, for the first one, 1 to 10, it would actually be 1 digit. And then going up, including the word problem at the upper side. So we would actually also test the complexity of the subject matter as well. So the same thing we would like to conduct on the first day, that it would be fully multiplication, and then day after would have be the division.
And for our research design, we use mixed method design, specifically sequential exploratory design. And for our research local, we have Public Elementary School in Tacloban City. And for our respondents, we have 52 grade 3 learners.
And for our sampling technique, we have total enumeration sampling. And for our data gathering procedure, we have Learning Resource Management and Development System, or LRMDS. And this study also outlines the thematic analysis by Braun and Clark on 2006.
And that's it. Okay. First question.
Baka sumasabi ko yung question.
Oh.
But it shows 1 to 50 or 50.
Yes.
Do you have any basis for that? Is there a study supporting why we should do it 1 to 50? Based on what I heard,
It's 100.
Cobra na board. I want to do.
It was on a personal context, ma'am, since the following time would actually be the National Mathematics Program. So it's only 30 minutes. So if we have it at 100 and at the same time the kids would actually learn the same repeatedly on this kind of mistake, they will go repeatedly through the same steps. So we're also thinking about the time in portion. So that's why we decided to cut it off to 50.
Okay, another question is, you said that you're focusing on making right, but in your title, snakes and ladders, game-based peer-assisted learning for numeracy skill development.
Why is it not indicated in the title?
It should be indicated kasi dapat you have to be specific.
Dapat catchy kasi yan. So for example, after you might have mag-research in something like this for grade 3 for numeracy. So, pwede ka na-excite na your research. Diba? Mas managwit kayo. Nakabata na yung title ng grade 3. Yeah.
You did not even present your SOPs.
No.
Sa
Iba lang yung kasi ang ginawa nila is yung hindi naman kasi tanong dapat ilalagay sa PowerPoint. Lalo nyo. Kasi kung gusto ka din na expert, diba, inano nyo yung snake and ladder, yung methodology. Yan. So kung gusto na ito, okay yan, makikita. Kaya lang, yung muna dito sa title. So okay lang yan na present niya, kaya lang, hindi naman present na methodology, conceptual framework of represent the methodology. Represent conceptual framework and also yung theoretical framework and followed by methodology. Not only methodology lahat.
Okay, and ang basihan po natin is yung sinend ni Ma'am Sheila na i-implement
format for classification of intersecting activity.
Pero, kasi as a whole, kulang ang although titingin kami dito, pero yung in-explain ninyo, that's why, marami kami tanong. Sige daw. Unahin natin sa SOP. Diba? Yung question, ay yung SOP anay. So after the title, so may kulang kayo. So please pa-input ng grade 3 learners, the snakes and ladders, game-based peer-assisted learning for numeracy skill development among grade 3 learners in what particular place?
Our proposed studies and items.
You cannot put the name of the school, but you can put the place. So for example, among grade 3 learners in Tacloban City, Leyte. Okay? Next, SOP ninyo. Third week.
What part? Ito yung kasi, is your study qualitative or quantitative?
Next
So when you say pre-test and having post-test, you are what? We're doing
Before and the purpose of our pre-test and post-test is to know the level of proficiency of the learner so that we will know who are our target respondents.
That would be for the pre-test.
what are the pre-test and post-test mean presentation? So when you're talking over, ang mga nakula lang, pre-test and post-test, ano kaya? We're doing what? You are home?
Questionnaire.
Actually, sir, maray pa na nagkasakahira. Maray pa talaga nila pre-test and post-test. So dapat, kasi kinukuhaan na nila ako ng data. Kinukuhaan ako nila ng data. Sabi ko, sir, hindi ka mo pwede makakuha ako ng data kung maray ka mo pre-test and post-test.
To answer your SOP number, you should have your instrument. You know the level of
So,
numeracy
pakikuha.
indicated here. Ito dapat na yung instrument, you can adapt ng mga research studies, sa mga existing research studies. And, no. Are you sure you can answer this question?
malaman lang yung skill in numeracy ng mga bata using snake and ladders. Ano man ang bakit like greatest and closest din?
Greatest, ma'am, so that para malaman namin ano ang current nila na efficiency nila.
And then,
And then during after the greatest.
For
Scores?
I am based on supposedly after period of events naman, ay napala kami magandang ng greatest according to sheets that
Di ba ka bukang bumalik? Basis. Diba? Assessment. Okay na nga lang ito.
Actually, game pwede yung single ladders pwede. Pero
Ano yung gagamiton as basis para malaman niyo code? Di ba tinanong yung work? Money.
Ikaw lang. Di ba I asked you kung saan ka gagamitin yung snake and ladder? Di ba you said that it's for motivation lang?
Yun lang, nag-iba kami ng focus.
Kasi tinanong ko na kayo, di ba na kayo
Hindi
ng
ko alam kung ano yun. Ano man? Ay naman ka mo.
And paano, di ba, about pre-test and post-test. Okay, the basis that we will be using for the pre-test, we will be having the errand or the
Enhanced regional unified and numeracy test by the deputy.
pwede mo standardized.
Yes, sir. What is standardized, sir? The standardized test for that coverage of
Numeracy.
numeracy. Yes, sir, numeracy.
So, is that the same questions you apply during the post-test?
No, sir. There is a different errand post test
Errand
and errand.
pero ang content, yes.
So, hindi na kailangan pilot test. Yan. Pero, hindi ko. Yan ko kailangan. Kaya may na standardized. Standardized naman dito.
Kaya kami naman sa standard test.
Yes, problema.
Mas mahal na dito.
What do you want to learn from question number 4? What is the level of acceptability? How would you quantify this level of acceptability?
Yes. So we will be using the LRMDS or the Learning Resources Management and Development System given with the Fed to know the acceptability or validity of our scheme or the
Maagis lang yan ang dapat. Attachment ko yun dapat.
Attachment.
Allow attachment here.
Actually, napag-usap ko yung manifest edit. Dapat pag-ulit yun yung pinapag-galapan.
Ano pinaglalaban mo? Kumain ka na naman.
Actually, yung sa mga
Ano mo ka?
nada.
Bali-bali ang tali.
Ulit, seryoso.
Hindi, oo.
Dapat may dito.
We will be using the LDR, Mr. Unfortunately, ma'am, wala sa mga driver.
Do you have a copy of this?
Oh, anay. Balikan natin. Sa Regent Law Camillo, Public Elementary School in Tacloban City. So, dapat,
State it.
Number 4 pa lang po, so nakabago na.
Tapos, ito yung theory ko, true ba good? Kaya tulo. What's with the rationale of 3? May nakamalig cognitive by John Q. J. Social learning theory by Albert Bandura.
And learning by
Learning by
Yes, sir. We incorporate learning theories first for the cognitive theory because it enhances their answer cognitive domain in the solving for the mathematical concept of using this intervention, which is the snake and ladder. And also for the next one, we have the social learning theory by Albert Bandura, because it is because this study aims to from the title itself, it has the peer assisted um, interaction. Yes, they will be having interaction with each other, sir, which they will be paired and doing the and solving the mathematical concept in the intervention and using the intervention. And
Ito lugar teacher na yung peer assisted. Pero yung lugar ito ay yung SOP. Ang mana design na tayo sa
ang kamo naman kay ang way man na nila napag-solve sa mga pair nila man.
Ano yung snake and ladder by pair nila? Four pairs?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Four pairs.
Eight ka ba?
So, di ba nag-snake na what? How big was the snake and ladder Fernando?
60 pages.
6.
Yes, sir.
60 pages, so that's 6 by 10. Wala.
Yes, sir.
Sige, hindi
Yeah, but academically.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And my box niya, sir, kay masanang mag-ano nakakapit sa bata. Then inside sa box, sir, may dalilang packet which contains the equations.
Ano naman yung may nakadili you have guide card,
Yes, sir.
activity, assessment. So what are this? Walk us through this one. Ano yung mga cards? Guide card. Ano kaya mo dito?
So,
Sa gila, sa lahat.
So for this intervention, we adopt with the ADDIE models, which determines how the process or the steps being conducted throughout the game or the snake and ladder. So we have here our ADDIE model, the analysis part, the design part, the development part, the implementation, and the evaluation. So in analysis part, so we have we are finding the respondents there. So we have, of course, our grade 3. Diba, may lang kami respondents are the grade 3. And in the design, we gathered to have this, what they call this, snake and ladder. And yeah, we also have this theme or the strategic intervention material, which is the guide card, the enrichment cards. In the guide card, they have this like steps na for them to be followed on how or the process will be
How to play.
how to play the game. So that's the guide card there, and the next one is the activity card. So in that activity card, they have already the overview of on how to do the game or how to play the game. So in activity card, so they have now the knowledge on how to play this game. So they have now the instructions there are being implemented there. So they have the time now to play, and they have now time to answer the following questions within the game. And of course, we have the enrichment cards. We have the follow-up questions right after that. Or assessment. Yeah, there's an assessment.
After activity.
An activity of assessment.
Yes, sir.
What is assessment?
Assessment card. So of course, ang mga follow-up mga questions there and nasa then after that we have the enrichment card.
And for the assessment card, these are the kind of the mga activities there which to assess the learning or the mastery of the learners that they learn throughout from the activity that been given by them. So in that part, they will be assessed if they have the knowledge or they have the development with the using of the intervention, which is the snakes and ladder. And after that, we will be using the enrichment card. But wait, if you're
additional exercise.
Yes.
Ito additional exercises, sir, is pwede ito makata sila as assignment or they can have it passed on the next meeting items, sir.
Okay. How about the reference card?
Reference. Makita lang nila, sir, kung ano ang reference.
Salamat, Jinay. Jinay, salamat.
Other information that
Okay.
we can have.
Well, so each of this card is present in one
In the board, sir.
in a board.
Only the ones, only the
Guide card.
guide card and the
Activity.
the activity.
Activity ang
Ano sa one? What are you on?
After doing after
After the activity na siya.
Yes, sir.
So, ang present lang board or what?
Guide
cards.
Yes, sir. Example, this will be the board, sir.
Okay.
Board, then in this side, sir, can guide card. Guide card. Then reading guide card. Then after that, I want to read the mag-start. After reading the guide card, we'll be having the activity. Inside, ang mga activity mo, sir, ang mga
Can you show us what's the code? For example, you step on ladder in block 4,
Okay, sir.
in box 4.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
you will be given a specific question.
Each answer in these boxes, they will be having, it has contains packet. In this example, in this number 2, it has packet, sir, which contains the equation card.
Questions.
Yes, sir. Mga equations card, each of these boxes will be having equation card. Because so that if kung kanila palitan ang dice, sir, will fall down into number 3, they will pick equation card and will be answering it, sir.
What will happen if the student will not be able to answer? Babalik yan ang start.
No, sir.
Ano man?
Have to try.
Again. Again and again.
Sir.
Sir.
So that comes the facilitator's job to assist the students. So we will not be giving the answer. However, we can tell them on some ways on how to solve it. For example, chunking numbers, or for example, multiplication, and then they get like, for example, 7 times 6 equals 30. So how many 6 do we have in 30? So that they would actually know the answer. So that's the like for example, 6 times 30. So how many 6 do we have in 30? So maybe I think 5. So that's actually the part of facilitator's job.
So, what if after that facilitator's job of prompting the question, chunking the numbers, wala lang para maka-answer, what will happen? Diba, we have students talaga nga very, very low in numeracy skills. So what will happen to them? If di lang para makabaton? Okay, let's say, you will be guiding there. Nakatira sa pit, you will be there all the time.
Yes, sir.
But, what if? Di ba, we still have this what if. What if di na makabaton talaga? What will happen? Will they go back to the
No,
number?
sir. They will not go back to the starting line here, but they will really try to answer the equation, sir.
Really try talaga.
We will also help
Hindi
them.
ka talaga kaya. What will happen to them?
Wala mas makabayaw na what if di rin nila talaga
Kapaling mo
ma-answer?
doon, is this a point system? May points din, mga concept?
No, mamubi na ladder. Mamubi na
Di ba?
ladder.
What can happen to those
Who were not able to
students na rin mag-answer? Di mo mapipilit.
Ngayon natin, higila, magkila. It's part of the book, game. Tapos, number 5, wala yung mga answer. Ngayon natin, 10 times 5, wala yung mga answer. So, what will happen to her? Mabalik niya start?
No, sir.
Di rin talaga yung mabalik. So, what will happen? Bisan, di rin niya mabaton or mabaton, mas tikiya ka na number 5.
Yes, sir.
Tapos another player will play.
Yes, sir.
Di ba kay 8 nila?
Ma'am. Like, di ba, 4 pairs sila. Then,
I took 8.
8 sila covered, sir. By pair lang nila, sir.
So, by pair, mamove na by pair, you have.
No, sir.
They were taking turns in playing.
Yeah.
Like the game when you
Answer nga ni sir. Kung di ba?
Para mas... Sige, teacher, you play the game.
But sir, player 1
kami, then 2 and 3. Example, this would be the starting line.
Excuse me. So by pair, because they're gonna help each other.
Yes,
ma'am.
Assistant, your assistant.
Then, for example, kita player number 1.
Pag di ka makabalo, ako mabato. Sorry to.
Kamu duha, sir.
So, right kita, next player, next pair.
Yes.
Until someone or
They
pair
have
makapag-finish.
they have the ma'am kanang a lot of time to ma'am kay if you're the number 1 ma'am to dice the dice, then mapaka mo dili ang number 3. So then makuha ka sa equation ma'am, makuha ka sa equation then mato ka yung pair, then mag-answer mo yung equation. Then na number 2 na ang answer kay dice kira. Then ang
Okay, so excuse me.
Yes.
So what if maka-answer kami?
then mag-wait mo.
Next na or kami lagap?
Mag-wait mo sa inyong turn to buat kay 1, 2, 3, 4. After sa 4, then ka muna kung mag-dice.
Kaya the
Okay.
natural rules.
Yes, yes ma'am.
Taking turn.
Yes ma'am.
Winning or losing.
Yes,
Diba?
yes ma'am.
What will happen if you get to the snake part? Kung nabot ka,
Bakit
mapalisa. What is the question? May question in the snake.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this
Kasi kung mababato na, kung mabalik mo lang yung pagkukuhan.
Okay.
For example, 26, mabalik lang yung pagkukuhan.
Sir Carl, nagdala mo kayo snake and ladder.
Kaya yung panahon, mag-invento.
Okay, kaya mga code kasi, hindi. Wala.
Sige, kuya.
So, to answer your question, about the jobs of, for example, sir, first pair. So this first pair, they would actually decide if who to write and at the same time who to jump to manipulate the game. So for example, itunduhan sila, may natin isa sir, they will be given the card. The card looks the same as it, however, this is being numbered by 50, 49. The moment that they step in, for example, ni Tosia sa dice, tas ang isa ito magsuwat. Pag Tosia sa dice, naka-4 hiya. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, they will have to write the equation and then put their answer here to check the facility if the answer is correct.
So basically, I get the point.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, this is quite good. Kasi na, you are implementing the skills.
Yes.
Kasi, for example, pair kita ma'am. Tapos makita ako nga, actually, napamotivate learner magbago kaya it's mga game siya. So, the motivation is actually there. But I have a problem with your SOP. Because it states here, this study aims to determine the effectiveness, which is, it is not stated in your title. So what really is the focus of your study?
Kasi it's all about
Gusto mo na mag-inistorya, kaya pagbasa ko niyo yung statement of effectiveness. Effectiveness. So, this is
Enhancing, title enhancing the enhancing galing ang focus sa paan. Ang title enhancing ang focus
pagsuwat mo na ito effectiveness, okay na ako ang straightest and focused. But it is not indicated in your text. Sabi ko nga ako. Hindi daw ba?
And our first title ma'am was effectiveness of game-based snake and ladder enhancing the numeracy skills of grade 3 learners. However, it was too long.
kapag ini, yung problem na kasi is making ladder game-based for assisted learning for university development. Among grade learners, very and then hindi siya na-answer, hindi siya connected. That's the correct term. Your SOP is not connected to your title. It should be, the title should be connected sa mga SOP ninyo. Tapos yung content ng inyong ang content ng inyong research is not also connected dun sa title.
And also, if the other panelists will agree, can we just delete your number 4?
Actually nga, gusto ko lang tatlo lang yun.
SOP Kasi
Ito
six
naman,
months,
number four.
you don't just indicate that to your methodologist. Why did you, for this certain intervention, dapat supported din his research pa yun, nung sulalinihan, kaya dito na kayo, hindi ulit nababasa, hindi kayo nung 1 to 50 lang. Yung lagi na kanina. So, wala transparency na nanalo.
Ang paano to ma'am, kay why we modify it into 50, then asya to ang gamit sa, that's why we have this the LDRM.
Ito pinaka-considerate, it's not
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Ano yung ma'am?
Ay ma'am.
Next time, you put it here.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you don't just why did you choose that kind of instrument in terms of quality, content, and instructional design? You don't just put it here in your SOP.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Pardon for that.
I don't know if na-apply mo nga, dili ka SOP.
Pero, kuan ma'am.
Actually,
So,
sabi ko, as what I said earlier, hindi nila agree, number 4 delete. So we have to change your SOP or your title based
So,
on
connected to the SOP.
na-connected sa SOP. No? Kasi talaga, sa mga ganyan, talaga title and then SOP. Yun muna kasi tinitingnan talaga natin. So ano lang talaga yung gusto matutunan ng mga grade 3?
yes,
Ano
ma'am.
ba? Anong guess mo?
Kan ma'am, katong to enhance their numeracy skills ma'am, using our intervention, using our proposed intervention which is the snakes and ladders.
Ano?
To enhance the numeracy skills of the grade 3 learners, using the intervention which is the snakes and ladders. Pero ano mo kung ano kahit yan?
Enhance the numeracy skill. Ano nyo yung previous nyo?
The effectiveness of game-based snakes and ladders in enhancing the numeracy skills of grade 3 learners.
Okay, good.
Ito mong pinaka-first title.
Kaya naman
Okay, tulong lang.
Sige daw, ulitin natin.
Okay, sulat kami. Isulat ko. 17 words.
Sige, ulitin natin. Effectiveness.
The effectiveness of game.
Tanggalin yung da.
Effectiveness
Effectiveness of
game-based.
Ayusin natin na. Game-based
Snakes
snake
and ladders. Snakes and ladders.
snakes and ladders.
And enhancing.
Pero yung nagdala mo na, snake lang ito, tapos and ladders.
Anda, snake. Ang mga kanaran ko, snake manla. Yan na rin ako.
There is more than one. It's plural.
So, ako ito.
Ito, game-based.
16.
Ayan, enhancing.
Hindi naman pa din siya.
Ladders
Enhancing.
Ayun,
Ladders.
wala nga pa din siya.
Conduct, ang pagkandak mo ito ma'am sa
Mixed method kasi yun, ha?
Mabalidate sa
Kumbaga, validation.
intervention material.
Skills.
So, sino nagbigay sa inyo ng kuan? Ang inyong kuan? Ang inyong advisor ninyo? Siya nagbigay ninyo?
Ng title, ma'am.
Oo. O, ikaw mo na lagi mo?
Kami na. Usually,
Did your advisor check your command? Your title? Then yung title, the Snakes and Ladders Game-Based Peer Assisted Learning for Numeracy Skill Development. In-check in niya?
Ako ka na nag-check ya.
Sino advisor niya?
sa Isidro base.
Bakit siya nandun?
Hindi naman hindi kailangan i-indicate the laboratory school is a 3-story building. No need for that.
Babaguhin nila lang yan, ma'am.
I think so. Okay lang ba yung hindi ka ng laboratory school?
Dili nga.
Elementary
Dili pwede ang laboratory school.
Public
Public school, okay lang.
Public elementary school.
Yes.
Kaya di ba yung sabi ko, among grade 3 learners in Tacloban City.
Paano nung nasa ito?
Before the date of collection. Ay, paano kita ito sa
Same, ma'am. Ang material ko naman, ma'am, nga katong
dapat gani, hirap pa naman kayo ko rin. Napita na ang video bibigin, video yung gagawin ito for final defense. Kaya kami, may nadali appropriate at least. Dapat naging mo na ka ba? Sige. Ibalik ko sa pera. Manadilok na.
If pwede po sa Tuesday, wala pero may orientation parang sa Tuesday, kung may bring it, tapos makita niyo.
Pwede pa naman
No.
magpamak yan ito.
Dapat today. All right.
Yan we can do it.
Kailangan kumita kami yan, ha? Bisan after matapos na ito, hindi ba nagkuhan? Bisan kumita na kami.
Busy na kami ng Tuesday kasi naka-online kami. Timeline. Dili math time. Dili talaga mathematics.
Kung alam mo kung unta good ma'am, kung if okay man sa ako, pero dili mo na pwede nga i-intervene sorry guys. Dili kasi naman pwede i-intervene and natural schedule or the what do you call that?
Regular
schedule for the
Dili mo natin siya tayo mag-incorporate the lesson. O din ba rin tayo ma-incorporate the lesson? Pero too much time to show.
Yes, kasi naging sa game-based.
NRP man lang.
Kapag NRP twice a week, wala?
Ang mga totoo kong nag-answer kay
Bakit pala sa NRP?
NNP po.
LMP. By the way, I have a question.
Yes po.
Pero yung sessions niyo bubuhaton. And why did you choose that specific duration?
Ako Mary, proposed during a period of intervention only 3 days. That's according to my schedule.
2 to 3 days, but what is the schedule of NRT in grade 1? A week, 3.
Every day.
Every day.
Wait a week na rin. Nalilito na rin. RD, at saka NMP.
Okay, so week plus 2 to 3 days.
Every day, per 30 minutes.
Anong katong?
English yun yung nalong.
Ano ma'am? Hindi pala.
Ang NMP at saka NRP, iba,
Yes,
4 days ito. Pero, 2 days para sa NMP, 2 days sa NRP. So, hindi kami everyday. Although, kasi, dalawa kaya nagsugad kami.
Yes po.
Okay, Ma'am Candice kasi, Monday to Thursday, kaya, ganun siya. Nahiningi sa in everyday nga, kunyari, 1 week NRP, tapos next week,
Ang sketch po ma'am, kahit ang dapat ma'am.
oh, ito
O di ba, hindi kasi ma'am, pero di ba ma'am, rigorous schedule for the tama, pero it should be, kaya
Kanan kami,
30
kanan kami ito.
minutes, yes di ba ma'am?
Kanan kami.
Pero gin-merge na lang 30 minutes, that's why katong nagduduhan na lang ka session for the MP, but it contains 1 hour,
Diri, 45 minutes.
45, yes ma'am, 45 minutes
Yes, 45
per
minutes.
session.
Oo.
That's why it's only 2 for ano ma'am, then 2 for NRP and then 2 for NRP.
Sa grade 1 kasi, ang ginawa ni Ma'am Candice, para maging 1 hour ito,
Gin-merge na yung
minerge niya.
Monday and Monday and
Oo.
Tuesday,
So,
and then
ganun
Thursday,
mahirap.
Thursday to Pan, and
Ano ka
RP.
din, to make your data credible, how many sessions?
Kumbaga, sa isang month, ma'am, ang tawag gini, 2 to 4, 6, 8 sessions in a month.
Just po.
I mean, I'm just concerned with the kids
8
nowadays
sessions.
because some of them are not familiar with this game, so it would take a lot of time for you to let them familiarize. Yeah, because they are tablet kids. It will take time for you to let them familiarize pala with game. Pag-explain pala ng rules.
Ma'am, kasi sila San Isidro Campus. So, San Isidro Campus is different in the hapon. That's why, yun yung ginawa nila. There's no internet there.
Dili,
Dili, what I mean is, yung
Dili, ma'am,
situation
kasi
nila
adin
dito
kami
ay
Aso sa naman?
Pero, ma'am,
Kumain na ba?
ang nagipagutang ni Sheila, may ask you if baka Ari
mag-or dito.
Kaya ganun ang groupings nila, ma'am.
Because it's 24 months pa. Deployment na for second shift.
Kahit San Isidro talaga sila. Yun yung ano nila kasi malayo travel na ira. Tapos, ang pag-check nila or kung paano man.
Kaya namang confusion first po is, ang gusto ni Ma'am Sheila, din sa ILSN amon at namang research local since din niya kami naka-deploy ng first shift.
Unless mag-stay kayo ng at yung another shift ninyo, nadidi pa din.
Yes.
Amo?
Yes.
So ano na?
So, what's the decision?
Ano ba? Kaya hindi yung mga words na
Pwede rin naman.
So,
It's
pero,
not will affect, that will literally affect.
Kasi,
Paano ko
the number of
kaya
sessions
hindi
that will be
mabubunta ka
conducted.
nga intervention ko, ano ka na?
kaya nga kasi kayo pinalabas, di ba?
Ano daw, basically, ito niya ang problema. Nga hindi yung mga classroom na observe. So, why would you do it in San Isidro? Huwag na mo in essence, ito yung nag-initiate ito purpose na yung study, na yung intervention. Where, in the first place, this was observed here in the grade 3, here in ILS.
So, pwede naman sugad dito na kamu tanan, dili la kamu. Tanan na tanan na San Isidro Campus, instead na dun kayo sa labas ng San Isidro Elementary School, sugad dito, didi kamu.
Kapag kasi kaya na yun, hindi pa yun na.
Sabi niya.
Narinig yung mga diri.
Oh, gusto mo?
Nag-deceiver na ka.
Grabe.
It's okay.
Okay man lang ako. Much better sagot talaga dito. Eh, di ba tinanong kita, paano yun? Di ba alis na kayo ng sagot dito?
You have to limit the purpose of your study. So, on another note, provide family theories.
Yes.
ano ka mo naman tumama?
Unless, babaguhin nyo na nakakuha na...
Naka-localize na, yes. Para mga ito ka mo, that's why we presented like
But then again,
that's why we presented like this plan eh, ma'am, kay pa nga. Pero, ayaw mo kasi ito ma'am, pa kay, it's in your decision ma'am, bali kung hain ka ba ma'am, yes po.
Yes, akin, gusto ko dito kayo.
Actually, kung nag-register ng testing, kung nag-register mo din mo enter.
Oh, syempre, related register.
Kaya,
Mas better talaga.
kaya mo kasi mo ito problema ma'am. Kaya amo ato ang problema kay ma-deploy na kami for the second shift na San Isidro while among research it's
Actually, pwede naman talaga kayo sumunod kay Ma'am Sheila kahit through formal letter kasi may nangyayari talagang ganyan. Kunyari, ang isang intern ayaw niya lumabas ng kuan, masulat niya kung ano ang kanyang reason. Pwede yun. Pero kung ayaw nyo na sa isang STE ninyo, pwede naman ka muna, oo nga ni, pwede kayong magkano na, ma'am, kung mag-i-stay po ako didi, pwede po bang ibang STE naman po ang matutunan ko?
I'm just
Mostly,
concerned with your teaching experience.
Yes,
It would be a great help if there is a capability.
Yes po.
You will not grow in the same box. You go at
Dili ma'am. Sa kanila kasi nga, hindi na sila
gusto talaga kang mag-stay, di ba, Margie?
Dili. Kasi nga sa kanila,
Pero kayo kasi si Bar.
oo, si bar naman kasi, actually naman, di ba, sa inyo, doon lang naman kayo sa barrio ninyo, di ba? Doon lang sila kasi sa barrio nila na school.
Ay, actually, lang madam po manamon taon ma'am, so different.
Bawang raso!
Grabe! Ay, pagtagin.
So, if I'm not mistaken, ma'am, there are 32 elementary schools.
So, ano na nga, yung tiga 32 elementary school ito, so, tapos yung title nga niyo, tapos yung research and degree, hindi pa rin magmamatch. Uulit at uulit pa rin kayo sa umpisa.
Okay, if you were to move to another
So, ano man ang desisyon niyo? Kasi i-deploy na kayo next week. Wala na itong gamit. Alright ka mo? Gamit. Ano madam-madam mo? Alright ka mo gamit.
Sige. Meron tayo na eh.
Sige. Ano doon? Are you going to stay? Or na kasi kung kukan, dapat papagulong natin. Dili. Nabiyak ka ng Ma'am Sheila na you have to ask the SPE, right?
Paano ba, ma'am? We can...
Ay, ano daw? Sino dito pa rin nasa labas? Lahat ka mo? Yung...
Ang mga... Ato lang ang kanina ay talaga nila ito.
Ang paano, ma'am?
Si Teacher Eliza.
Gusto PLC.
Sige na nila mga... Mga STE.
Pwede kayo mag-ano?
Yun mga STE. Ikaw na.
Teacher Eliza.
Teacher Mark Pados po.
Puro PLC pala yun.
Okay.
Ma'am Artie. Nakaroon tayo dito.
Actually, ano yung study? Maupay talaga yun. The best. Okay. Although may nakuha ko na talaga, very complex ang EU statement of the problem. Because ang EU title, very diriyan ako ng EU statement of the problem. There's no connection. Although may mga...
Kasi nga, sir.
Ay, there's no point nga masusolve ang question, but other than numeracy, what I gamit ang peer-assisted. Diba? Kaya naman yan mag-prepare. Kailangan man natin ng numeracy skill ni Raf. Although may nag-tiyak point nga, mas maupay talaga, di ba? Yung theory, about ang social behavior, so dito. At yun talaga mga questions, very difficult here. Although, masusolve niya with the use of depth-ed forms in which wala niyo ipakita amon. Also, your questionnaires wala niyo ipakita. Makuri talaga kayo makuha. You will not be able to get those results in one shift. Ang nangyayari na iyo, di na may makukuha. Ha? Okay. Tapos, di rin maya ka mo nga amulet yung focus, ma-teach gap ka mo. So how will you be able to gather these data while teaching? Yun na yun. Makuri maya nag-teach ka tapos na pinapahimot yung STE. Joke lang. Dili. Dapat mga STE dapat ito pinapahimot. Di na ito G9. Dapat mga STE dapat pinapahimot. Diba? Kaya may mga forms na kailangan natin i-move. How will you make use of this? How will you gather data from this? Dapat nagtrabuhon. Diba? For example, may dito naman rin puro mga OBN, diba? Ginawalit na kapatid ng NMP. NMP.
Grade 1 pa dito?
Yes po. Grade 1 yun, grade 1 to 3. Grade 1 to 3 na.
Grade 1 sir. Nakatag kami sir.
NMP. We're talking about NMP.
National Mathematics Board.
NRP mo na ako.
Reading.
NMP. Alright. Sala. So, in NMP, you only have 30 minutes. Can you use this? Bakit pag probing po pala question hindi mo student nga, ano't answer ini? Time consuming.
Is that attainable?
Pagabat ko, ito ngayon mo 30 minutes, ano pala tirahin second level. Number 20 pala ito.
Grade 1.
1 to 20, baka na pala tira 20. Or 26.
In short, yung pag-utulong at gusto ko.
No. What I want from you is to change the new statement of the problem. Make it more easier for you. Yung pipila ko ingon yung malugang ingon. Maupay yung study, I swear. Maupay niya. Much better nga if you will, the problem with inhimunia digital is electricity. So, since it's most efficient, if ikakadanya tar papel, make your statement of the problem easier.
Pero magugusin man ito kapag
Ayan mo ba ito mag-easy? Ipalabanit niya na kung kaya niya na.
Naka-cover man ito.
Kaya
niya mag-live. Kaya sa kaniniha kaya nakatar papel iya. Then nakabilo sa tar papel man kaya we will be having cartoon. Naka-konti ang cartoon. Cartoon ang tar papel nga acetate.
So, ini ito sila naman still cases na ginather.
O, maupay lang. Maupay hindi nga study. I swear. Bisa na pagbasa ko hindi, maupay nga study.
Yun lang talaga yung SOP talaga, tsaka title.
Yan na lang
Ay,
nag-judge.
natin. Anong gusto niyo? Mag-stick kayo ng title niyo. Tapos, change niyo yung title niyo.
I've changed ang title.
Dili kasi guys, context na dami lang ng SOP, so kung yung title ay change, mama ito.
Doon, nagbago ka rin kasi ka mag-title. Kailangan niya mabagot SOP.
Dapat kasi, klaro na yun nga daan. Ito kasi niya, pero effectiveness. Where ba? Wari niya, asya. Katitle pa lang, nakikita na alam body with it.
Pero pag kita naman, wala yun.
Adili mo margin certificate.
Hindi talaga. Kasi,
Niyo.
paano kayo magiging...
Nayahan kita. Age comes with wisdom.
Yan na lang.
See, actually, mabagot yung question number 1. Pero, ganito yung question number 3. Is there significance difference between pre-test and post-test scores of grade 3 learners before after implementing the game-based? Mano ka mo, sige lang, kung parang question number 1 na yun. What was the question number 1?
What is the
What was the pre-test and post-test mean percentage? Ano yung bibalik yun eh? Mean percentage. Ito yung number 3.
significant
Ano
difference?
Ako teacher. Ano pinagkakareyo yun yung 1 and 3.
What's the difference and what's the...
Ano yung ibibiling ka number 1?
Main percentage.
Ano yung ibibiling ka number 3?
Significant difference from conducting the pre-test and the post-test.
Before the intervention.
Before the
Okay,
So,
so,
if there is significant difference.
pwede ka natin...
Usa na lang part.
Ako na.
Usa
Wait.
na lang ito.
We can delete one of this at retainer mark. Which do you want? Ano ang ibig numeracy scale? So I'm between these two. Which do you think will answer the question of numeracy scale?
And significant, sir. Yes, there's significant because and that's how we can identify this enhancement or effectiveness of the class.
Number 3.
Use
Tanggal na
the
number 1.
mean percentage scores. And from that, yung conclude if there is a significant difference.
So,
Bakit naman na yung matangkalabar number 1, hindi na niyo i-discuss. Kasi ito yung basis, kung may difference or what.
Yes po, ma'am.
I think
So, on number 2, how would you rate the numeracy skill? Are there levels of numeracy skills?
Yes.
So, what are these levels, ma'am?
The
may dahito instrument na ginagamit.
Yes, I know. Ano yan? What are the levels?
levels of proficiency and proficiency.
The proficient.
May dahito like 7 to 9.
Corresponding ko ano.
Oo, may dahito teachers. Dirili mga level.
Malito ko ang identity.
Pwede kami mag-present after para mag-print ka na.
You don't need to present. Just give it to us.
Okay.
Ang LDRMS, ang
Basta ako lang
Yes po.
pagkanahan. May dahito corresponding level. Like 1 to 1. Ito nga range, anong niya
Yes po,
equals.
ma'am.
May dahito
Kung ko na yung main percentage gusto ko hindi maday equivalent ko ano.
Okay. So, entry level.
Dapat ipakialam what is the level of numeracy skill.
So, you need to identify first the level of numeracy skill before you conduct your post-test or pre-test. Tama na? Tapos, ano din yung kung maaari na mag-tira level?
Identify some answer who will be the focus of the study.
Ano? Ngayon ang 1 to 53 ang inyong buwan. How many pera din yung kukuha na din nga mga student?
Cancer. For now, sir, kay Kuan, kay di ba nag-use mo total enumeration. And kay wala pa man may data, sir.
English.
For now, we use the total enumeration, sir, in getting the Kuan, in getting the respondents. For now, it's because, sir, we don't have the data pa to identify who will be the focus of the study. So, asya to katong last sana, sir, kay katong mag-aro kami in consolidate data, katong before pa unta, kay para we can identify who will be only the focus, not everything or not everyone in the 53.
So, ito ka din eh. Ako di yung mapili lang ako.
Yes, sir.
Based on
May I remind you, we only have one section of grade 3. Ano matingin mo nagdala niyo po kung ano mapag-gusto niyo?
Dili, sir. And kuan, sir, and makaka-play hirak na tanan for the
Ay,
kuan.
teacher, kaya siya kayo pag-explain. How many rounds? I mean, like first batch of 4 pairs. And then the second batch of 4 pairs. That's what you mean?
Replication man gagamit.
Replication of Or the
forcing.
pairs will play simultaneously.
Simultaneously.
Or
Different boards.
the classroom will be divided into 4. You can simultaneously let them play
Yes,
here. 4.
Yes, po.
Four boards.
Then,
replication. You can cater most of the students.
So, ano na ito? Ano kaya na ito?
Anima. For kapag hindi focus sa study.
What will happen to them?
They're still playing the games, sir. However, their answers or their scores and their results will not be the focus of
Our concern.
the
Dilihan pa nga data. Dilihan ko pa nga data.
Iba yung ganit na routine test, post-test, ano?
yes, sir.
So, di lang naman at pre-test, post-test.
All of them will take
All of them.
test, sir.
Pero we have the identify naman, sir, who are only the focus of the respondents. Every one of them can take the pre-test. Then, kukuha na mo nga ang pinaka-focus na mo nga data nga mo i-collect good or ang i-focus ang mga identified nga mga identified nga respondents.
Why not?
Ano
Kuha na lang yung
respondents?
we use pretest to identify the numeracy level.
Okay.
So after identifying the numeracy level, makikita na mo if sino itong mga non-proficient, proficient, low proficient, nearly proficient, and proficient, highly proficient. After ito makita, ma'am, may dala kinila itong low, nearly, and non-hera lang. However, these two na nag-highly proficient, they will still going to play the game because we don't want na magkarasa la hiramang ba. So what hira part. However, the real target would actually be those who are in this.
Please don't do that. Kaya, dapat, you should have 3 categories. For the low, for the medium, for the moderate ba? Tunod term ito yan. Pero sakto lang, and for those learners na may high retention.
Kung ang gihap, ma'am,
Okay, bugat ko disregard ba? Kaya naman nila nakaka-answer na yan. Duray na yan.
Ano nga ito? My suggestion is you take it all na lang. Kung ano natin, don't choose kay. The problem with taking one.
Depending on the number of learners.
So, what will happen ngayon? What if the student is proficient na din, hindi mo nakuha na data? Dapat, partner na data talaga ha. Although, maaari na ako and kuha nga, amin na nga level. We should, kailangan natin din nga is kuha, di ba? We need authentic results. So, paano natin makukuha ang authenticity kung i-exclude natin din yung mga magkarit na? So, kailangan, ipupod natin yan. Although, ato na yan, makarit na pera, upal lang pera data. So, iti mo natin take all na natin. Take all, 53 students. 52.
Kaya na, kung 52, lima, 52 students, kung grade 3 natin. Tapos 1 hour man lang kami. 45 minutes pala, 45 minutes. Hindi kaya yung tanan na 52 divided by 2. Pera na ito, 12. Tama ka. Divided by 2.
So in one, let's say, in one batch, we have 8 players. That's like
Hindi kaya yung magiging 8 players. So 52 divided by 2. Kasi 2, di ba? By pair. So pera man, ilang grupo lahat kung by pair?
Let's say you have 4 batch playing simultaneously or 5 batch. That's equivalent to 8 times 5. 48. Or you can have 6 batches playing simultaneously. So in short, you're going to make 6 replications. Ipakyan na ito first of months. Kung makaya ba? Pero that's kids. 26.
So, you're planning, ano yung intervention, pero habol si Diyo ng pan.
Pero do you want to make it simultaneous?
Yes. Siguro ng 30 minutes para mag-intervention, so kanil na
complex na.
Dari ka niya complex, baga time-consuming niya.
Pwede rin naman sana, ma'am, pwede rin naman sana, di ba, na sa numeracy skill, nasa rin naman kanina yung, ano yun, yung average, and then, ano yun, proficient, walang non-proficient, beginner yun. Beginner, proficient, high proficient.
Amoy na yung level of numeracy skill.
Walang non-proficient.
So, tama na yun.
Beginner yun, sir. Beginner, function. Beginner, proficient, high proficient, and average.
It's the basic, functional, intermediate, advanced, not expert numeracy.
So, 5. So, pwede, yung question nyo na what is the level of numeracy skills of grade 3 learners, pwede pag nakita nyo na, sugad, yung isang grupo nandun sa beginner, nandun sa guad. Kung halimbawa 5 yan, limang ganyan din ang iaan ninyo.
Sugar na dito.
Pero simultaneous, makatapos kayo, kaya yun.
So, meaning now, you will incorporate the same questions regardless of categories.
Yes, kasi dito natitingnan eh, what is the level of numeracy skills?
We don't discriminate with research. Bisa pa tira, you're local there, right?
In that case, you are biased with the higher group.
Hindi lagi nga kinabayas kay part. Gising
ma'am.
na nila.
Kumbaga, di ba nag-conduct na kayo ng pre-test and post-test, di ba?
Pretest pa ako nga, di para natin makukuha ng authenticity data kung
Oo.
i-customize natin ang
Mga students.
aton questions para ang mga beginners, di ba? Ganito authentic data.
Kumbaga, isang question lang ng pre-test, pero pag nakita niyo result doon, eto pala siya, beginner siya. Eto siya, average siya. Isa proficient siya. So, ganito. Pag sama-samahin yung mga batang average and so on and so forth, tapos dun kayo gagawa na, itong grupo na to, ito ang facilitate.
Puro sa hera. Di na nagbuburugan. For example, kung basic lang yan ang numeracy skill.
Lahat yan sa naman.
Post-test,
Same question pa rin. Kasi pagdating sa post-test, makikita natin nag-improve ba
Kaya wala pre-test post-test na mag-ibang question. Pero may, bisa kang huwag, the same ito dapat permit. Okay? Pre-test ang post-test, kukuha natin kung may nabera ng baruan. Diba? Kung mag-iibaw natin tanong pre-test ng post-test, wala gamit. So, tatanong mo na lang, i-group natin nila. Kung basic na nila numeracy skill, or sa hera ka board. Kung functional, usa. Kung expert na hera, usa hera ka board.
Okay na. So,
Dapat kasi, ito pinalaman is basis kay ka-era level of numeracy skills.
Diri ma'am, sa mga sugat dito ng yung skills, numeracy skills ng students, talagang tinitingnan nyo, may post-test talaga tsaka pre-test.
Hindi, but that's not your basis on categorizing the level of numeracy skills. It's also the same in academic performance in athletes.
Ano? Yung isa sa
Bingo. Mamuli na sige. So, bali, your pre-test will serve as your basis in leveling
Pre-test and
the
post-test.
students in terms of their numeracy skills. Am I right?
Yes.
Tapos,
But the content of your questions is different. Tama?
So, you change your,
Yes, sir.
your question. Dapat din na kaya kanili nga after implementing the game-based techniques.
Okay.
Or na-implement na ito.
Okay na. What is
Ang
the
sa pre-test, ma'am, wala pa rin na-implement. Then,
hindi na pag-implement.
Hindi pa implement.
Okay.
We will be evaluating it
Intervention
kung pwede ba yung gamit sa ma'am, kung makakatulong ba ito para enhance their numeracy skills during the post-test.
Pre-test?
Pre-test.
Ask me the researchers. Paano nagkakanda kayo ng paper pre-test? Test paper?
Depende sa test
That's
mo.
what I'm asking. Napagana lang.
Bumas nga ka mo yan Parang nakamutiyo ko kung ano, dipipuhan. Mag-gala.
Penetrance sa
Hindi mo nang nakuha yung pre-test.
Ano lagi? Kailan standardized, kailan mandatory rin, pwede ka lang pwede.
Unified test for.
Sayang, dali kami nakita.
Ang mali-waray mo
Pwede
na.
ba yung mag-awit or not? Are there other researchers who are using that one? Do you have research studies na napapakit ko yung paggamit nito? Kung appropriate mo din paggamit nito? May baka mo, in your final defense, your results should be supported by another research. Pagkatadawag na yun, yung nakanaan ito, tawag do you have bisa na cellphone na?
Alat niya pa? Ano siya spelling? Iran?
ARUNT, sir.
Iran. For grade 3. Final Iran. Iran. Okay, question 6.
Consistent of 20.
Ay, ito. Dapat
Wow, kal.
Ilinganin niyo na i-emphasize na nagamit sa mga
Ano
R-U-N-E.
Ron.
R-U-N-E.
Ang nakasearch ko, sir.
May na-upgrade sila. Hindi ko na wala. Diri. We just post this line niya. Kumbaga, tada-ngada, different, pero may nahiya similarities nga din. Kaya parang mas maliit na naman kamatag. Anak ko po sini number 200 questions, tapos may the work problems.
Yes, quality yun din ang
Tapos may the
mga equations.
related
Parang
na.
related din na
Yes po.
Parang modified lang yun.
Yes po, ma'am. Amo hiya. Like in this first one, ma'am, this would be one digit, two digit, three digit until magtikat difficult
Digit nga, no?
yes po.
Multiplication and
Multiplication and division. But diverse equations nila.
Ayaw.
Iti ka complex.
our plan
Era
na-
ako, era post-test, iti ka complex at mga lesson.
Our plan is one session, one operation, every session.
Yes po.
That's why I'm asking earlier. How many sessions are you planning with this one? And why did you choose that duration? May daba, research nga nagyaya ko na kailangan upat ka sessions, kailangan usa-usa kada session, may daba, supportada ba ito yung click lane, ito yung gusto manabo.
Dili mo na, sabi nila nga, based on the DepEd kasi. Sa DepEd kasi may duration.
That's your problem, but it is not indicated in your paper. Namimiling ako.
Makakas ako ha. Pagbalik nito kay Banda.
So, the title is now,
Sige, balot na ang title. Ikaw balot na title. Sige, magbalot.
Babal mo
Title manager.
Ay,
Itakin ko pa yung kaya teacher. Para wala na lang kapagyanag panel, dapat kada ito tanan, nagpag-explain.
lahat.
It's like you're explaining instructions. Maya kang, baka lang mo tadyayakan yung, baka lang nag-explain yung instruction, pero yung instruction, wala yung nakabutang mo, write your answers on the blank provided before the numbers. Mapagkasya ka naman, bakit nang answer? That's good, like, the same with defending your paper. You should know the inside and outside of your paper. Anong possible questions sa iyo pa? Kaya kung gusto ko rin, mamimiling talaga kami. Ako. Specifically, namimiling ako. Hindi ka pwede mag-implement in this ano at kabataan. They are kids. Na napalo nila, nakapalagas na era. Kung diri nang ining mas kanit, yung binipin ng implementarera. Nga man, ito mga bata.
sige, ganito. So, yung tinatanong ni Ma'am Kuan, ni Ma'am Gayla, nasa DepEd order naman kasi yan ngayon na may NRP at saka NMP kung ilang duration lang siya in a week or in a month. So, ibutang nilito dito. So, para makita namon. And then, pangalawa, nasiriman ka mo, ang title na lang ang babaguhin natin para para dili na kami magbago kasi talagang they're not connected. So, okay na yun? Okay na yun yun?
Alam mo ang random.
Okay.
You want to stay here or not?
Answer. We want to if kung
No, sir. Gawasanay, Ma'am March.
ano na sir? Modify.
Kaya ako rin student sa iyo.
Okay, Mike.
Gawasanay.
Answer.
Okay lang, pakawalan ko si Junray. Pakawalan ko si Junray. Okay naman na ako. Kasi, kaya lang kasi, ang inaano ko, yung inyong kuhan.
Answer. Yes, ma'am. Alam mo kasi gihap, ma'am, kay we're staging, di ba, ma'am? Like, kuha, ma'am, alam mo kasi, financial kasi lang main problem ko naman, di ba, ma'am? Kay, all of us here kind of boarding house. Then if we stay here longer pa,
Basta ang expenses.
yes pa, mas muda
May refer ako sa inyo, meron akong student teacher na marami siyang houses ang house.
Ang financial. Karon ma'am, it's okay ma'am sa ako. In our part ma'am, it's really okay ma'am na mo stay here. Kaya the experience ma'am, we can deny dapat na mas nice ko niya dito ma'am. Nice ko niya na mo experience dito ma'am. Pero,
Wait, sir. Did you ask ba sa school kasi mas mura ang
dorm.
Didi. Pira.
800 ma'am. Pero complex po talaga headwater.
Oo, syempre, kita mo man yung mga CR. Unless na, we are going to talk about the student teacher intern na may houses of houses.
Oo, tapos sa anak ko kasi sa dorm ma'am, bawal ka magluto. So, expense kaya.
Meron din akong intern na pinapaupahan siya. Di ba si Kuan, gakmatan?
Amo din among problem na gud among financial. Mo ato mga dili kay makatubag about sa kaning ma'am.
Ano man ini, wala na yung gamit. So papaguhin natin pero based na sa San Isidro. O magpapago kayo. Kaya lang walang gamit yung defense ninyo.
Dahil mga financial, kamong nota na mabibili.
It depends kasi talaga sa SPE ninyo.
Pwede man may the some or like 1 or 2 nga mag-i-implement nila. Di naman kasi necessary tanan ka mga kadit. Simultaneous, wala. The problem is simultaneous.
Pag saan yan siya, hanggang December ito na no?
Yes.
Kung ayaw nyo, hanggang December ka mo didi.
Ayaw.
Nice iya ma'am.
Pero pwede naman ibang SPE. Oo. Nga, PLC.
Parang April, pwede niyo ipabili na April.
No, sir.
Si April, dito na hiya PLC.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Our panelists already agreed that we will have our study at San Isidro po. So, they have an
Sige, kasi talaga kami.
internal arrangement po. Okay, Sir and Serena po. We have an internal arrangement po. When it comes yes po. When it comes to interesting first to be able to conduct our study there, we are given like a time to collect an anecdotal po, an observation.
Ikaw dire.
Okay, agad yung kami. Okay man. Kunyat na kamo.
Ang inahin lang kasi namin.
The problem is, you need to pass to us your revise. An EO research is nakapuan na nga sa Isidro.
Mapunta sa pagkakagawa mo kung pagkuna mo sa sir bakay. During mo mo pinaka-program ka.
English.
Amo lagi happen namon problema kan siyahan ka namon pa-create namon answer and paper kay we will kon na ginhuna ko nagyap namon an kuan about implementation kon kuan kon hay ko diya kay di ba kay ama ang amo nato kay di ba second shift ato kami sa Isidro while diri magudi yung mahuhuman an all nga si bar ang all nga papers in one shift namon
Yes.
asya to nga pero that's why nga kay kung may kuan ato ka ma'am Michelle nga kung ano ibubutang namo kuan namon kung ang local for ang yes po ang local for this si Marco nasa rin man hiya nga dili la anay since we are here
And ask the panelists.
then asya to ano mong yung problem ko
Kaya nga, ang ninyo? So, okay man lang yun na amon. So,
what's part of the
Kaya ito na yung mga side.
mag-change lang ang paper about
Ano tayo na lang. Sige, matuod kami. Pero you need to revise this paper and we need it next week. Tuesday. Orientation niyo. Orientation niyo. Tama na, you need to pass it next week. Tuesday. Pass naman na ito. Pero adik-adik, no problem. Ari kami nag-online class. Masih kami nga adong sa Isidro. But aside from the pre-test and post-test, you need also to attach an anecdotal data ba? Anecdotal form in which you will see kung anong ginhimo talaga ng mga bata para kung ba naman yung what did they do during your intervention.
Yes po.
Yes po. On your final na. So, for now, next week, you need to pass to us the revise. Na nakakuan na yan, nakapadan na yan, parahan sa Isidro. Place, kung tayo na mga kuan. Unique kung may nakaw mga kakilala nga itong taga San Isidro nga nag-teach nga ito nga grade 3 hira, you need to ask kung ano nila mga problems kung same ba nanhi or diri. Sige na.
Yes, sir.
You follow the changes that we have, tapos ikaw na niyo ka ito nga ito niyo research.
By next week, sir, ano man yung business day?
Tuesday, 21. Yung time po, within that day.
Lunch time.
Tuesdays.
Lunch time kasi naka-online class kami ito mula aga. Aga po. So lunch break, alam niyo yung lunch break natin. So 11:50. Ay, diri, iba na.
No, well, basta lunch time.
So 12 o'clock po.
11:59 AM. Pero ako po. 11 ka magtrabaho.
Ang JP, dyan po dito. Pag sino yung JP? Buti na may estudyante akong dyan po. JP din ang tawag. Parang ganyan.
Make a pose. Make a not make a pose.
Teka na.
May problema mo sa amin, Fred.
Kaya mo yun yung baby mo, ano tayo ka na.
Chocolate ako, babe.
So, hindi ka lalabas dito nang wala akong bebe.
Hindi mo na kamama. Ibilin ka na kamama. Bakit ako man ba outside? Oy.
Una na yung title dito. Pwede pa na island. Pwede na yun. So you have to follow the title. So, dili na.
Effectiveness of stake and ladder in enhancing numeracy skills among grade 3.
Primary na lang. Ilan ang sections ako? Madami.
Depende yung school po.
Madami pala yung school, third teacher.
Grade 3 learners. Grade 3 first exam late.
Ay, kala ni, bakit? Sure ba sila na lalabas?
Ano ba napapatas?
Sure ka ba na palalabasin sila?
Hala.
Grabe nga. Uy, yung nabibiro ko. How sure you are?
How sure are you?
Yan nga yung dapat na 130, last week ako na ino. Magiging 230 na naman. Uy, paano yung ano to? Yung exit na pero sa atin,
Ang gandang lang ito.
Ang pagando. Eh, 230 man yung sa'yo. Ano, 330, 4?
Hindi na pa ka mo. Hindi naman.
Ay, atin mo na pala, ano?
Hindi naman nakakita yung mga kuwan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ayun na din na-exit na pala sa mga magic.
Yan na din namin.
O, hindi niyo pa kinukuha ng mga libro ng mga dalaga ko, ha? Sabi ko kay Mamagi, hindi niyo naman kinuha sa cabin halls.
Nagkabangkot na sa ito. Parang ang bigat-bigat na ng damdamin dito.
Kayo na lang mag-compute na.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Papalit pa ako. Papalit yung old.
Uy, ano yun? Ha? Para saan?
Marami ko nakapunta sa mga garbage bag.
Ay, mo na nga. Ay, correction na lang.
Ano po yung correction?
Kaya na kay mapapirma pa kay Ma'am Lord ng mga kuan. Sabi
Ilan?
ni
Picture niya na picture.
Okay, feelings na.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tama, nakapili mo
Yun lang
yung
kasi yung final.
Tuwas nga ni. Sukuan.
See you on your next final.
See you in your next part.
See you on your
Di ba
next.
na final?
See you on your next
Depends.
defense. See you.
So, ganun si final
Mag-barbecue, may
defense.
boyfriend na ako.
April.
Balik niyo.
April picture.
Bulod na yung.
Palingkuran sila.
Naburan din. No!
Grabe ka man.
Yes, wait for me.
Wait for me. 1, 2, 3.
Oy.
1, 2, 3.
Saan ko? Slide.
Value, alam niyo yung maya ka nito yung Carl.
Oo. Yung anak mo.
Of course.
Wala ka natabunan sa
Okay,
pangkol.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wala ka natabunan sa banner.
Teacher, 150 dapat kasi tira yan.
Wala ka na sa banner. Friend.
Oy. Oy.
Ako na lang, Dre.
Oy.
Bigyan niyo ko ng copy niya.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3. change the, di ba na yan? We'll change the title. Ito man ang title. Yung pangatlo, tapos kaya kayo po kasi kayo sila ng mga oo, kasi
Edited by organization Amante.
Di ata ganun siya. Kailangan mo i-seal.
Diri na, kaya kasi natanong ko lang, grade 3 na. Pero kung ano,
Grade 3 ang AAA. Sensibility.
Daghan na siya.
grade 3 learners or primary learners na lang?
Applicable naman sa kung primary learners, 28 section. Pero so lang yan, wala mo pera.
Yung sa hospitality.
Effectiveness
Tulog ka po.
Kalma lang kid, kalma lang.
Ano na?
Duha na ito. Effectiveness.
Very good.
Sakto ba ang spelling? Kasi may patakat ang
Like spelling ang effectiveness.
Pwede ko pa lang ito.
Sakto man eh.
Nakaon na natin.
Wala pa. To tell you honestly, wala pa.
Verify that one na. Diyan na ako.
1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3.
Nag-selfie ka man.
Thank you.
Ay, kaya na nag-stay.